Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday the 28th, last day of the month. Final unboxing of the month. It's coming from FIXD.com, automotive. This is to diagnose your cars. A little smart device. But you guys can get them at a low cost. Here we go. Check them out. The links are going to be down below. Let's take a look, and like I said, I'll be doing the setup. Oh, chopped a little bit off. Oh shoot. Let's see. Now look at this thing. Boom, your car is talking. Start listening. Fixed app. I got app. I got to download. Check engine light, maintenance reminders. Health of multiple vehicles will come in handy. There we go. Now this is a useful tool to get it all set up as soon as I upload the app and everything. Simple plug-in to your car. And I think it's in the Android app. Oh. And the iPhone. There we go. I may have to find it. I'll find it. That's why it's going to take me a second to download. There's an app right there, Fixed. And that part will be coming up right after this. Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back in my garage. This time I'm in the my car, 2000 Jeep Compass. Got the app all set up, easy to install. I'll show you where I put mine. Right now everything looks fine. Nothing detected. And let's see how I'm gonna do this. Bear with me. But really cool device to have. I don't know if you guys can see. Right underneath that port, easy to install. Took a few seconds to connect, but other than that, it was really easy to use so far. Mess around with the app a little bit more. Sensors, compass, you can rename it. So I'm going to just use it on that Prowler right there. Probably towards the springtime, I'll test it out on that car. And then tells you what to do. 36. Really cool. And like I said, check them out on their website, FIXD.com, to get this fixed device for your vehicle. My battery. Nice place. I'm going to have to do all that info. Or coming soon. Wipers. Location. Oh, that's really cool. I'll remind you when to change your wipers. Tires. Oops. Just got to tap on it. Put a penny in between. And then see where it lines up. Then you could just like autofill it up and down. Like that. Then it should say save it. And then it'll show you on the app here. Other issues. Really cool. Definitely. I would go, let's see what else we have to do. Wiper is covered, tires, more coming soon. So like I said, really good idea if you guys want to know more info about your vehicle. And you log. No problems detected. Oh. Okay, brake system. It tells you what they mean. Wash fluid, power steering, glow plug, ESP fault, brake fluid, parking. There we go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, battery's gonna die. And new log. Oh. So there you go, YouTubers. Check them out. Fixed. Fix your car. Boom. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.